If you're tired of trading time for money and want to start building income streams that work while you sleep, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the best passive income ideas for total beginners. No prior experience or big investment needed. From earning dividends to launching digital products or selling print-on-demand items, we'll break it all down step by step. These are real opportunities people are using right now to generate consistent income online. Stick around, because at the end, I'll also share resources to help you get started, including beginner-friendly tools and affiliate links. 1. Start with dividend investing. One of the most beginner-friendly passive income streams is dividend investing. When you buy shares of companies that pay dividends, like Coca-Cola, AT&T, or real estate investment trusts, REITs, you earn a portion of their profits, typically every quarter. You don't need thousands to start. Apps like Robinhood or Webull let you invest with as little as $5. Over time, reinvesting those dividends can grow your portfolio automatically. It's not get rich quick, but it's stable and long-term. If you want to explore this path, check out the free investing course linked below to learn the basics without all the jargon. 2. Sell digital products. Digital products are hot right now, and for good reason. You create them once, and they sell again and again. Think ebooks, templates, Notion planners, online courses, or downloadable printables. If you're good at organizing information or designing simple tools, this is for you. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip make it easy to host and sell your files. You can even use ChatGPT to help write your ebook or Canva to design your products. Once your digital shop is set up, it becomes a passive machine. Want a head start? Check out the tools linked below to get selling fast. 3. Print on demand. Print on demand, POD, is a low-risk business model where you design graphics for t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and a third-party service handles printing, shipping, and customer service. Sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful let you upload your designs, and you earn a profit on every sale. You don't need inventory, and you can even use free tools like Canva to create your artwork. Want to go viral? Hop on trending topics or funny quotes. Once your store is live, sales can come in 24/7. You'll find affiliate links below for top POD platforms to help you get started today. 4. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making passive income online. You promote someone else's product or service using a unique link, and if someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't need to create anything yourself. You can promote physical products, like Amazon, software tools, or online courses. Start by signing up to platforms like Impact, Share a Sale, or Digistore24. Share your links through YouTube, TikTok, blogs, or even Pinterest. As your content grows, your income can scale too, even while you're offline. Check below for beginner-friendly affiliate networks. 5. License your content or photos. Got a decent camera or even just a phone? You can turn your photos, videos, or music into passive income. Sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 allow you to upload and license your content to businesses, creators, and media outlets. Every time someone downloads your content, you get paid. This works great for lifestyle images, nature shots, and even AI-generated art. No need to be a pro, just consistent. You can also license sound effects, stock music, or video B-roll. Over time, your portfolio can grow into a steady income stream. Links below include top stock platforms to join. 6. Create a niche blog or website. A niche blog can be a money-making machine once you build a little traffic. Write helpful content around a specific topic, like travel hacks, pet care, or fitness tips, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, or selling your own products. Platforms like WordPress and Medium make starting a blog simple, even for beginners. Once your content is live, it keeps working for you long after it's published. With tools like Jasper and Surfer SEO, writing optimized posts is easier than ever. If you're interested, I've linked a simple course below that teaches step-by-step how to start your first blog. 7. Build and sell an online course. If you know how to do something, anything, you can teach it and earn from it. Online courses are booming, and platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy let you create and sell your course globally. You can teach video editing, budgeting, cooking, or even how to use Excel. Record once, and students can keep enrolling without extra effort. Even better, courses can be paired with affiliate products or upsells. It's not just for experts. If you're just a few steps ahead of a beginner, you're qualified. Check out the tools linked below to start building your first course. You don't need a business degree or a huge budget to start building passive income. Start small, test what works for you, and scale as you grow. Whether it's investing, digital products, or affiliate marketing, these are real opportunities that can change your future. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for beginner tools and free guides. Now go take that first step. Your future self will thank you.